Hello and welcome to the iTunes Plus channel on YouTube. After this, daily I will upload WordPress vlogs. Today in this video, I want to talk about WordPress debugging. If you need WordPress web hosting or any kind of web solution, you can simply go to zaytunict.com and you can get started. Buy with discount. I will share the discount code in the description. I go to one of my websites, meritempire.com. I want to enable WP debugging in this website. What is WP debugging? Mostly we use WordPress as our CMS in websites. When we use WordPress, sometimes our WordPress not load. We go to deactivate the plugins. We want to deactivate the themes to find the solution. But there is a short solution that tell you what is the problem. To enable this, we have two ways. The first way is to activate this using a plugin. This is for starters, for the people that don't know about web hosting, don't know about code editors. This is a good solution for them. We go to our dashboard, then we go to plugins, we add new. I want to add a plugin from the WordPress core. The name is WP Debugging. I install this and activate it. When I activate, it show me this error. These errors are the errors that my website has, and I should solve them. Now we can go to tools and WP debugging for the options that we have in here. We can show this too to show the WP debugging, but it's not important because in here we saw that what were the problems of our website, and we will solve these problems in the next videos. Now in this video, just I want to talk about how to find the bugs of our website. This was the first method, and the second method is to use cPanel, or you can use your FileZilla or any other file managers that you use for your website. We go to file manager. In here we go to public HTML. In public HTML we go to wp-config.php and we click on edit. When we click on edit, in here we have WP debug files. I have this code in my notepad. I copy this and I add this in the description. I save it. After I save it, I refresh my dashboard. Now I go to cPanel, file manager, WP content. In here I have a file debug.log. I open this. In here all the problems that my website has are noticed in here. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next lessons.